Hi everyone, let's make popular street food of India. It's called black chana chaat. Let's get started. For that we need boiled chickpeas and small potato which is boiled. I'll be also using some raw vegetables which is some tomato, onion, green mango and long green chili which is not spicy. Some ghee or olive oil. So let's take a pan, add our boiled chickpeas and potato. We are just going to mushing our potatoes so that it gets into small chunks. Add some ghee or olive oil. Now add coriander cumin powder and roasted cumin seed powder. I did not have it, that's why I have added cumin seed. Okay, make sure you add roasted cumin powder if you have it, otherwise add seeds like me. Still it was delicious. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that make sure you turn off the flame before we add the rest of the spices, which is, you should know it by now, it's black salt, chaat masala, mango powder or amchur powder, and some black pepper. Some people also add red chili powder, but I did not need it because I was also using chili, that's why. Now at this, before you start eating, you are going to add these vegetables. I was about to eat, that's why I had added vegetables. Our vegetables should be crunchy, not be cooked, and our piece should be, the black piece should be hot and vegetables should be raw and crunchy. Do not let them cook because the longer it stays in the pan, it's going to get softer. We don't want it. So the moment you stir, you are going to eat. Okay, make sure you stir it really well. Adjust the seasoning, make sure everything is okay. If you need any spices, add it. Most of the people would add chaat masala from the top, but I was fine with the seasoning. If you need, you can add some chaat masala too. And now it's ready to eat. This chaat is super delicious. It gets ready in no time. It only took me 3 minutes to make it. At the end, you are going to garnish it with some cilantro and sprinkle some lime juice before eating it. Here we go. Now our street food of India is ready for you. It's called black chana chaat. Enjoy. Bye.